so pretty much we're gonna have to cut this video, like skip this part where I'm talking. But the idea is pretty much like you open, yeah, exactly so. Oh, is it there? Okay, I'm gonna open this, but we're exactly gonna do not this. Oh, and we're gonna do exactly. So until now, yeah, still cut, still cut, still cut, still cut. We're gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe in the editing we'll see this. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready for a bunch of smoothness? 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. Nice. How do we stop recording? Stop recording! Fuck!